Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we're going to do a review on the roll and lock electric cover called the E-Series and the cargo manager. So come right this way. Now this is a Ram Power Wagon, which is a great looking truck, and you know, the gentleman has good taste. He wanted the top of the line everything, and we got the top of the line stuff here. So let's take a look and how this works here. Now let's go ahead and flip on the light. So you got a little LED light in there. Before I open it up, you can see the light, and you can see here the cargo mattress. So let's go ahead and open this up, and basically I just go ahead and push the little button here. Now I do like it. You just push it once and it works just fine. It's a quiet cover, and some covers do make a little bit more noise than this one. This one's, like I said, very quiet. If you look there, you do have plenty of space underneath the canister there. So if you want to go ahead and put some lumber in there, or you know, something big you need underneath there, you have it. It is a matte finish, so it looks really good with the truck. Everything on here looks terrific. Of course, we got the cargo manager. And we do recommend getting the cargo manager with your roll and lock, whatever model you end up with. Now, basically, I don't know if you can see here, this is your locking mechanism. So all you do is pull this and lock it in place here. So again, you pull this, and you can go. If you look along here, it goes anywhere up and down the track. So depending on, you got something big in there or something small, you just got your groceries, you put it right here at the end, put your groceries. Again, if you want, you can just go ahead and slide it all the way down there. Whatever you like. And of course, another nice feature on the rolling cover, you push the button. Now if you want to stop it somewhere, let's say I just want to stop it right on top of the cargo manager. I can stop it anywhere along the track. And I see it does have an LED light in there, which at night will do a great job at lighting up your bed, as you can see from here. Now, this is going to come with a 3-year manufacturer warranty from Roll and Lock. And of course, if we do the installation for you, like we did for this gentleman here, you're going to get 1-year labor guarantee. So we cover all the things we've done, and of course, Roll and Lock covers the parts. Now you say, you know what? I like this cover. I want to buy this cover. Like this gentleman here, he saw our video on the F-150. He said, you know what? I like that look. I want the cargo manager. I want the A-Series. I want the electric version of it. And he called me up and he says, I want the one from the video. Well, you can do the same thing. You can give us a call in the store like he did and order it. Of course, you can always go right to our website and order from there, and we ship it anywhere in the country. And these items generally, depending where you live, most of the time will be free shipping. So if you like this, go to the website, give us a call. Call John, Dave, or myself. We'll be glad to help you, and we'll make sure we get you the right cover. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And most important, subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all our latest products. You know, you want to see something new here. This is the best way to do it. And again, I just love all the bells and whistles on this thing. I mean, to me, you know, remotes are cool. And it works really well. Great product, looks good, functions good, easy to use. And it's nice that this is a very tall truck, if you notice. So sometimes it might be hard to open and close the cover, but when you have a remote, very, very easy. And again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you so much for watching our video. You have a great day.